Making money online. Are you looking to do this? Stick around. If not, you can hit that skip ad button now. So maybe you've tried any of these: affiliate marketing, drop shipping, Amazon FBA, Shopify, Etsy, or any of those other methods that are out there that may or may not work really well to make money online. And you're wondering, you know what? How can you do this? Well, I'm here to tell you it is possible. I do it, and I think that anyone can. But it is not easy to do at all. There's a few major problems that you're going to run into. Problem number one is, what will you sell? That is difficult. What if you don't have a product? What if you're not handy or crafty and don't have something to sell? Problem number two, how are you going to sell it? How are you going to get people to actually look at your product online and possibly buy it? Problem number three, who can you turn to for help? There are so many gurus out there and scammers, it's insane. So you got to be really careful with who you turn to. It is possible, but those problems are hard to overcome. There's no two ways about it. So what could you do? Well, I've got some good news for you. There is a solution to all these problems. It's called print on demand, and it is the best business model to make money online. Print on demand solves it all, no matter what stage you're at. How does it work? Well, basically, you don't have to buy any inventory up front. Products are printed only when an order takes place. Customer service can 100% be handed off, which is huge because there's nothing worse than doing customer service online. Shipping times are also way faster because I deal with US suppliers. Problem number one is solved. What are you gonna sell? Well, you can sell a lot of different things like necklaces, message cards, t-shirts, hoodies, coffee mugs, travel mugs, whatever you want. There's a lot of variety of products that you can sell out there, and you don't have to make them yourself. Problem number two, how are you going to sell it? There's two basic ways you can do this: free or paid. I tend to do both, honestly. Paid goes a little bit faster, but free also works. Problem number three, who can you turn to for help? Well, this is solved as well. You're listening to me, Will, from PPC Coach. I've been doing this since 2007, full-time online, trained well over 11,000 marketers so far. So listen, if you don't have any experience, it doesn't matter for print on demand, honestly. If you have experience, print on demand is going to be easier for you. If you want to learn more, check out my group coaching program now. I want to help you make money online with print on demand, and I will teach you how, showing you everything that I know. Click that button to learn more about my print on demand group coaching program now. Have a great day.